Hey guys, Matt here. Today I'm going to be putting together an RC buggy just like this one, but I'm going to be putting it together using parts from a bunch of other broken buggies. So I bought all these parts from one of my mates for like 70 bucks, and yeah, most of this stuff is from broken buggies, just arrangement of parts which I can use. And then yeah, this is most of my own stuff, but all this stuff down here can be used to make the new buggy. And here are all the parts all laid out together. So we've got rear differentials with the frame to attach the wing onto. We've got more rear frames, drive shafts, just a bunch of stuff which I can use to put it together. I'll be using this definitely as my front frame part because it's in the best condition compared to all the other ones. But I will need to bend this back together because it's quite out of shape when you look at the front here. But yep, should all come together and it will be good. So here's the base of the car. I've got this piece here, which I found in the lot was probably the best one. Like the shocks are working fine. It doesn't look too bashed around either. Then we've got the center part, which has the steering already attached, so it should be easy to put together. And that doesn't look too bashed around either. The thing isn't bent. Then just drive shaft. Got the, what's it called? Heat sink for the motor to cool it down, dissipate the heat. Then we've got the frame, which I'll need to bend back into its original position because it looks bit silly right now. This is just to protect the gears, front guard plate. So we've got the front part here. Doesn't look too bashed around, looks kind of new. That should be easy to put on. Front differential with the drive shaft attachment already on it. Then this is for the frame as well. This helps. This is where the body attaches to. You got the wing attaching here. You got the spur gear right here, and doesn't look bad at all. Looks very good. And then just got the wing, and then there will be a few miscellaneous parts like screws and stuff. Got bags here, right here, and yeah, let's get to it. Now the front is in. Ah, damn it. I made a mistake. I was meant to put the drive shaft in first. Whoa. Super sign. There you go. Now that works. That's good. A little 360 again. Wow. I'm going to go downstairs now and fix up this piece here, bend it back to normal, and then we'll keep putting it back together. Put this in here. New video sneak peek. And I'm back. We got this already, so just gotta slide it in here and then attach it using the screws, which I'll find somewhere. everything's all tightened up and ready, we've got 2 thicker rear wheels and the 2 thinner front ones, which I'm going to put on now just for the moment, put it on display. These tyres are very bald. I'm going to need to replace those, definitely. All 4 wheels are on, and we mustn't forget the big wing at the back. Get some downforce, you know. I've got 4 bodies here. Which one should I run? I've got this one here. Oh, that's 2. So red, black, black, yellow, another red and black one, but a skinnier body. And then we have the blue and black, which is another skinnier body. Let me know in the comments which one I should run, but for the moment I'm going to put on, blue one does look kind of sick. What about the red one? No, I reckon the blue one. Let me know in the comments which one I should put on, but I think for now I'm going to put on this blue one. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and give the video a like. Next video we'll test out the electronics and put it on the road, maybe even off-road. And yeah, should be good, so thanks for watching guys.